Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. I guess the cat's out of the bag. These are Gertrude's new favorite dog treats. These are from Flourish. I love the fact that these are dehydrated raw dog treats. So they take the meat when it's at its freshest and they dehydrate it to lock in the nutrients and that freshness. And as well, they add fruits and vegetables, which are foods that my dog would never eat on her own, but they lock it into this dog treat. So she eats it and she benefits from blueberries, green beans, carrots. It's amazing. So I love that these dog treats are so tiny and easy for her little mouth. She is middle-aged and her teeth are definitely causing some problems. So these are not too hard on her teeth and she can eat one little treat in one bite, which is really nice. I like the fact that these are such good motivation for training our dog. So she is very stubborn and we are really trying to work with her. And these treats work perfectly for good motivation, for reward when she actually learns something and listens to us, which doesn't happen very often. But I really love the fact that they work in that regard. As well, my dog is a picky eater, shocking. And so these treats have been such a good topper over her kibble. As soon as we sprinkle a few on, she inhales her food, which is great. I love that this package is small enough to travel with. We put it into the glove box in our car when we travel, and they're always on hand just to give to Gertrude, just when we feel like we want to reward her or spoil her. So I think your dog will love the taste as well, whether you have a puppy or an older dog, no matter what breed they are, no matter what size, they will love these dog treats, and you as a dog owner will have peace of mind knowing you're giving your dog the best of the best. So definitely go and spoil your dog like we spoil ours. They will love it, but that's just our point of view.